Yeah, yeah. I can't even take you to my mom them house.
Who's
Yeah.
trying to go to your mother's house?
I'm just saying, like I'm not about to be like. I'm taking you out, hanging out with you, man. You dressed like that. Like this is like,
I mean,
who raised you, bruh?
And now I have to cancel it because of you. Just because you couldn't be faithful. You know what? You're gonna pay me this money back. You expect me to just take all this on? That's some people's salary in a year.
You're just dramatic.
I got you. People would love this ring. So many girls would love this ring, and you just decide to throw it away.
My last question: would you rather date a guy that got his own house but no car, or got his own car and no house?
I'd rather say own car, no house.
And why?
If you got a house with no car, how the fuck is you getting back and forth to work to keep up the house? I just feel like that. But if you got a car and no house, I feel like, okay, you can make your money. You can sleep in your car. You feel me? Like you.
So, you want to explain?
You want to explain why you like me?
On today's episode of Catching a Cheater, Riley Jane Madsen, everybody. What did I lie to you?
Oh, nothing's wrong, nothing's wrong.
Yeah, what did I ask you?
You could have said that.
No, I
Yeah,
said,
you
hey,
said that.
hey, what are you doing today? What's your plans today? Oh, I got dinner with so-and-so.
I didn't say I did or so-and-so.
Yeah, you didn't say you didn't have.
didn't.
Exactly. I had to get it from him. So, good luck, buddy. Anyways, let me come and grab my shit.
You're not coming to my house.
Oh, I'm gonna come in your
No, you're
house.
not.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye, bitch.
Nope.
Hey, come here. Let me get it. Let me get it.
Mom cries heavily as judge orders child support and sole custody to dad.
Oh, they
He
didn't
kidnapped
legally-
him without my consent and
Why are
moved
you
to a whole
talking
other
over
county.
me?
I feel like this is
You're
unfair.
talking over me, Miss?
This mother claimed her child was kidnapped by the father's family, throwing serious accusations. But the judge made things clear.
Who currently has possession of the child?
Trayvon has possession of the child unwillingly. I feel like he kidnapped him without my permission.
Okay, hold on 1 second. How long has he been in possession of the child?
Since February 20th.
Now, since he's had possession of the child, who's been making the day-to-day decisions regarding the child?
Trayvon.
Do you have any say in those decisions at all?
No, I have tried. They will not contact me. I have no contact with my son. He stated that he's been having Kimani since January 2nd. That is incorrect. I have all proof of me dropping him off February 20th for his birthday party and them never responding to me or having any access to my child. And then getting served child support papers 3 days later and stated that we are not going to court for child support numerous times, not only out of his mouth, his spouse's mouth, and the attorney general. I was off the assumption that today was not for child support whatsoever.
Is there anything else you'd like to tell the court about your case, Ms. Locke?
Yes, sir. When I left Trayvon in January, it was in fear to my life. We were co-parenting through his mother, Shanetta Hoskins. We were going back and forth, no issues. Shanette Hoskins asked me, hey, can you drop Kimani off for Trayvon's birthday on February 20th?
Objection, hearsay.
Sustain.
Is there anything else you?
I don't really need to know about the child being a certain date or y'all disagreeing with dates. The child lives with Mr. Hoskins.
Yes, he kidnapped him. He kidnapped from me.
You have not filed
He
anything
kidnapped
legally.
him without my consent and
Why are
moved
you
to a whole
talking
other
over
county.
me?
I feel like this is
You're
unfair.
talking over me, Miss Locke?
As of I pay child support.
You're talking over me, and then you want me to do something in your favor? That's not going to work. That's not how that works. You have not filed anything legally with the court to get the child back. You have not filed haven't hired an attorney, haven't done anything. So you can't complain that he kidnapped the child if you haven't filed anything on your own.
Sir, I don't have the money for an attorney, and I've talked to
It doesn't
police
matter.
officers,
You
everybody
have
that
not filed
I have
anything.
tried.
You haven't filed anything. So don't tell me that he kidnapped the child if you haven't filed anything with the court. This is what we're doing today. Okay? All right. So let me go ahead and make a decision here. It's pretty easy here. We're establishing Mr. Hoskins as a biological father legally. Mr. Hoskins is admitting to paternity. Y'all have agreed that there's been a finding of family violence. If y'all have agreed on that, I don't know why we're discussing conservatorship. It's automatically going to be sole managed conservatorship because if there's family violence issues before, then that tells me y'all cannot reach agreements on things. So there's no reason to even talk about joint managing for him to make the decision since y'all can't do that together. Y'all have agreed to a name change to Murray-Hoskins. I don't know who Murray is, but y'all agreed to that. That's fine. Either one of you will need to take a copy of this court order to the birth certificate office to change the child's name. And then you'll also need a visit with the Social Security office to change the name there after you get a copy of the birth certificate. So one of you will need to take the extra step. This order won't do that by itself. Y'all agreed to a mutual non-disclosure of your address since y'all can't get along. Y'all agreed to no geographic restriction, which of course makes sense since y'all don't live in the same place. Court costs billed to Ms. Locke. As far as insurance is concerned, the child should not be on Medicaid under Ms. Locke. Child does not live with Ms. Locke. So, Mr. Hoskins, you're going to be ordered to carry health insurance through your employer. You need to give a copy of your insurance card to Ms. Locke so that she has that when the child is in her possession. But you will be the one primarily ordered to provide insurance, and we shouldn't have Medicaid if the child doesn't live with Ms. Locke. So that needs to be changed. We're doing visitation, standard visitation orders, which is what we're going to do, which is first, depends on where y'all live. If you live over 100 miles apart like you do now, if you're not able to go there, Ms. Locke, that's not my issue. That's not Mr. Hoskins' issue. If you have some criminal issue dates, so Ms. Locke, you need to notify Mr. Hoskins maybe 3 days before when you intend to do visitation. A medical support ordered against the mother in the amount of $75 a month. You must make payments through the child support office. You cannot pay them directly to Mr. Hoskins or to the child.
So what did we just witness? A perfect example of what happens when emotion meets facts. For a long time, people have believed that family court automatically starts one way. But cases like this show something different. When the evidence is clear, when the father stays calm and consistent, when the truth actually comes out, the entire narrative can flip. Now, let's be real. This doesn't happen every time. But when it does, it exposes the bigger issue. False accusations don't just hurt the accused. It destroys credibility when it actually matters. And in this case, the judge saw right through it. Now the charge is where the court believes is most stable. And accountability finally applied.
Bro, unlock the door.
What's your password?
Unlock the door.
I'm not unlocking shit. 02. What's your shit?
Give me my phone.
Tweaking
bro,
over her phone. She's doing way too much. I'm definitely going through this.
Phone.
What is
Stop
your
trying to
password?
open my phone. Give me my phone.
020.
Bro, stop.
Yeah, I'm in there. Yeah, I'm in there.
Stop.
Watch out, bro.
Stop.
What the fuck is wrong with
Stop. Please, stop. Stop. Babe.
Oh, you was trying to
Give
lick,
me my
bro?
phone.
Oh,
Please.
that's where you was going last night?
Stop.
That's where you was going last night?
Give me my phone.
So, but you were saying you was going with your friend.
Oh my gosh, give me my phone. Please, I didn't go with my friend.
I'm so glad I'm recording this.
Give me my phone.
You're done. You're done. This shit is done. Don't babe me no more. I'm leaving you right here too. And you're not getting your phone. You're not getting shit. Yo, stop hitting my fucking car. Fuck is wrong with this girl? Fuck is wrong with you?
Please give me my phone.
Oh,
Bro,
you sending him nudes.
my messages,
Oh, you were sending him booty pictures. You fucked him?
Phone.
You had sex with him? Man, back the fuck up from my car before I crash out. Dead ass, bro.
Give me my
Man,
phone.
watch out, bro. Watch out, bro. What the fuck is wrong with her, bro? This bitch wild. She ain't getting shit. That's why you don't trust bitches. These hoes be cheating. Yo, these hoes be cheating, bro. I swear to God, bro. Yo, stop hitting my fucking car.
Faye.
Okay, so I have a question for you. I like your jewelry, but can you spell jewelry?
Can I spell jewelry? Who told you to ask me that question?
I made it up myself.
All right. Yeah, yes, I can.
Go ahead.
You want me to spell it?
Yeah.
I thought it was a yes or no question.
No, spell it out loud.
All right, jewelry. J E
Yo, no.
W.
Well, he has him to spell jewelry. Dating shows has now become spelling bee. So guys, be prepared.